just a girl, and I love my makeup tutorials. I'm here on YouTube. Hi, YouTube. Giving very much so very pretty. I'm here. Hey, y'all. All in my grill, y'all are like all in my grill. But hi, guys. Oh my God, I'm here. I'm on YouTube. It's crazy. I've been wanting to do this for years and keeping me from like hanging out with y'all. Like, what? Hi, I'm the new girl. Like, can I hang out with y'all over here? Or what? Like, let me introduce myself. My name is LaPortier. And I've always wanted to be on YouTube for a long time, and I just never did it. So I'm here now, though. I'm like equipped. I'm equipped with some skills. I got some skills. Okay, you'll see the looks. No. Welcome to Beauty with LP. Hey, y'all. Welcome to my page. It's LaPortier. I'm so happy to have you guys. Wow. I'm very happy to be here. I'm very happy to be stepping into the beauty community on YouTube. And I am new here. But I am not new to makeup. For those who know me, hello, I'm so excited, can't you tell? Oh my God, what's been up? What she's been doing? Child, I've been learning how to do makeup looks and doing my makeup and being pretty. For those who have been following me on my social media platforms, come on over to YouTube too. This is where you will really see me. And for the people in the YouTube community, hi! It's nerve-wracking. It's I can't even speak. That's how you know. That's how you know. But welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. I am from Detroit, Michigan. A model, an artist, a creative. But on YouTube, I'm mostly going to be doing beauty tutorials. I have been modeling for over 10 years now. I was able to see myself come in and then leave out, looking and feeling like something else. And the makeup artists and the hairstylists were the ones who brought that out of me. And over my modeling career, working with so many different makeup artists, so many different photographers, so many different creative people, I picked up skills and I learned some things. I used to be the type that knew a little something. I knew how to put a highlight in the inner corner, a gold in the center of my eye. Now I know how to do my makeup really good. But with modeling has taught me so much. Makeup artists would be doing my makeup and I would see myself in many different looks and stuff, and I'm just like, wow, like I look so pretty, I look like this, I look like that. And those who've been following me on Instagram for the past 10 years have seen my journey, and that's why you will see me changing up my look all the time, because that's just me. I was able to learn a lot, the what's what, and luckily I was able to learn how-tos from the mother of makeup, Pat McGrath. And working with Pat McGrath, you learn so much and you see so much. It's like, I have been going to New York, and over time, like if you're working around the mother of makeup, like how could you not? I was trained like you and me, and I was taught by one of Pat's leading makeup artists, who's actually a friend. Like, I consider him a friend of mine. But I was trained, you guys. Like, how the heck? And then a bunch of other models were trained. But I want to teach you guys what I learned. Eye looks. Yes. How to do a smoky eye, a graphic eye, a matte eye, pretty look, fierce looks, the whole nine. Like, for me, I love to dress up my eyes. And I look like this. Pretty, cutesy, casual eye look. Well, not casual, but like this would be like an everyday look, you know, or just out and about. you know. Beauty with LP is for those who are interested in learning different techniques. For anyone who isn't afraid to express themselves through makeup, you can learn how to do eye looks, beautiful eye looks at that. You can learn a lot like a pro. For anyone who wants to take control of their beauty, especially if you have deep skin like me. If you're unsure how a product looks, you have a similar eye shape as me, or even if you don't, you could use me as a reference. Learn how to do things on your own. I like to do things on my own, so you may see me with different colored hair, consistent hair that may or may not be me. And I'm pretty excited about what I've learned. I think knowing how to do your makeup as a woman is important. How to do your makeup as a model or anyone who is just out here using what God gave you, okay? Yeah, this channel is for you. For the people who just want to see what I'm up to or what I'm doing, hey, this is for you. For the people who want to learn how to do their makeup, for the girlies who want to switch up their looks and on their own, this is for you. I've been wanting to come on YouTube for a while, and I'm finally here. So, hi everyone, hi. You guys can follow along and then pick up some skills and learn how to do it yourself. So that's what I'm gonna be focusing on here at Beauty with LP. And then also, I have a bunch of makeup that needs to be used. It's crazy because I remember when I worked for Anastasia Beverly Hills and they sent me a bunch of product and I was super excited. I was like, I'm gonna be a YouTuber. I'm gonna do this and that. And in my mind, I was like, this is my chance. YouTube. All that product I had and I didn't do nothing with it was crazy. And then I never did it. I overthought it. So much time went by, new opportunities came, and I was like, dang, I can't even do what I planned because I have to keep it moving. So this time, I have a bunch of products from Pat McGrath, you guys. So many motherships. And it's like, I'm an artist. Like, I've been painting and drawing and tapping into that world. I get excited about this. Like, I really do. I'm excited about doing makeup looks and just challenging myself with all of the palettes. I'm just gonna be using what I have and showing you guys, like this one here. Imagine if I was to put this on my eye. Like, you see how that looks? Imagine, okay? And I'm excited to show you guys what I come up with me in my bathroom as I get ready. Hopefully you guys can follow along, do the looks on yourself. And I can show you guys how to do a look like this if you want. So let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments. With that being said, I'm so happy and I'm very excited. I'm very, very excited because I know I was on YouTube learning how to do makeup looks. And here I am, capable. And I'm just like, yeah, why not? Since I'm doing makeup in my bathroom, once again, it may have different lighting because in the bathroom it's just natural lighting. Today it's kind of cloudy, but you can still see the makeup. On a cloudy day, this is how your makeup gonna be looking because this is a natural light. You can follow me at La Portier, somewhere over here at La Portier on Instagram. You can follow me on my other YouTube page, La Portier W, where it's more so like a get to know me. Like, I'm gonna be on that page as well, but right now I'm a Beauty with LP. Over on La Portier W is gonna be more like a get to know me talking about my modeling journey and like chit chat stuff. And then also don't forget to follow me on TikTok, Beauty with LP. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment, and subscribe. Sit with me at my table. I'm the new girl at the YouTube University. Literally, like, I don't know anyone on YouTube. Like, oh my God, I'm really a newbie. Being on YouTube is very different for me. I'm not used to people really getting to know me or speaking. It's just like personal. Like, you guys are here with me in my bathroom. Like, this is where I do my makeup. This is where I get ready. I am the new girl here. So, I remember when I was growing up, I used to watch Jackie Aina, Brini Lee. I used to watch like the dark skin women on YouTube, especially the ones who did the hair. Like, growing up, okay, being dark skinned was something else. There was a lot of hate, a lot of flack. There wasn't too many dark-skinned women who were on platforms, how to teach you things. Dark-skinned women who would teach me how to do a sew-in or teach me how to do my hair. It was that type of culture. And YouTube really took me there. I learned how to do my own hair. It helped build my confidence, especially in school. Growing up in high school, if your hair is not done, if you're not looking right, and now the girls, it's like everything gotta be on point. For the girls who don't have it all, at least you can have your face on and beautiful. And this is for all the girlies. This is for the young women, the high school girls who are just learning how to pick up a brush. These are the brushes that I'm going to be using in my videos to do my eye looks. So if you want to do your homework and get your school supplies, that's the pencils you're going to need, okay? Go in my Amazon store. The link is down below. If you want your makeup to look exactly how my makeup looks, you have to get the product. That's it. But if you want to start out, just use what you have. Use what you have at home. Use what you have, and then just apply the same technique. It's basically, you're going to be learning the technique. Once you have all the skills that you need, you're good. Can't nobody tell you nothing. So yeah, all you're going to need is a good attitude, a calm mind, a steady hand. It's just you and me here. And really, it's just you in your bathroom, just like it's just me in my bathroom, and we're just having fun. We're just doing girl stuff. We're just doing what girls do, playing in our makeup, but we're not playing. We're doing it every day. I was trained on how to do my makeup, and yeah, I know what is needed. Make sure you guys subscribe so you can see more videos and so you can be updated on the different eye looks that I'm gonna be doing. Eye looks like this, pretty looks, and then some like stronger looks. I'm happy to be here, and I'm happy to have you here. I'm happy to build a community in the makeup community and the beauty community on YouTube, and girls who love to feel good, to look pretty, to look sexy, to just be, like I'm happy to assist. I'm happy to be that person for you that teaches you how to dive into your look more, to love your look more, Subscribe, follow me on all my socials, and I look forward to teaching you guys how to do different makeup looks on Beauty with LP. Thank you to the people who've been with me for years, following me on my journey, my modeling journey. I know you guys have seen me modeling, but it's like now, I'm interested in controlling my look and just diving into different looks. So yeah, I hope that you guys can take something from my videos and you can learn from me and feel empowered, like how I feel empowered to control my own beauty and to love my beauty, especially being brown skin, dark skin. It's important for us to take charge of our own beauty and not allow anyone to, oh, you're pretty to be dark skin. I'm pretty in general, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and go. I will see you guys in the next video. I want to do like maybe I should do this eye look. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, I'm not talking. I can talk forever, okay? I don't want to talk nobody's ear off. I appreciate you, and thank you for sticking with me, and thank you for coming over here to YouTube. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to follow me on all of my socials. I am on Instagram, mainly on Instagram, and I'll be in my stories a lot. So, but I'm gonna try to post on my feed more. Stay tuned for more videos. Okay, bye.